The moment he touched it, the world melted. He was back, sitting on the bed, watching his dad fold the same crane. Same voice, same story, like time hadn't moved at all. When he came back to the basement, his hands were shaking.
Was that real?
He whispered, "Did I just go back?" And deep inside, he knew the answer. He stared at the keypad, heart pounding. Another date. His best friend's birthday. The machine glowed, thought, and offered him something small. A cupcake wrapper, still sparkling. Suddenly, he was there again, in the college hallway, singing off-key, laughing with frosting on his face. It was so real, so warm. He didn't want to come back. Day after day, he returned. Each time, another trinket, a broken shoelace, a game token, a charm from a keychain. Little things that held pieces of who he used to be. Now, the cost begins. Alex stares blankly as the teacher writes his name, but he can't remember it. Also forgot his teacher's name too, but he smiled anyway.
Worth it.
He told himself.
I'm remembering what matters.
And the machine waited, always ready.